If you are searching for a reliable and professional scan PDF edit service, we provide structured, manual, and high-precision editing designed to maintain document quality and authenticity. Our goal is to deliver clean, accurate, and professionally formatted results without damaging the original layout of your scanned PDF file. Our scan PDF edit process begins with a careful document review. Every scanned PDF is examined in detail before any modification starts. We analyze text alignment, font size, spacing, margins, background texture, scan marks, shadows, and overall formatting structure. This preparation step ensures that the scan PDF edit is done strategically rather than randomly applying changes. Unlike automated tools that often break formatting or reduce quality, scanned PDFs often contain background noise, scan shadows, paper texture inconsistencies, or faded text. As part of our scan PDF edit workflow, we clean unwanted marks, enhance readability, and adjust brightness and contrast when necessary. This ensures the document becomes clearer without over-processing or damaging the original structure. Font matching is a critical part of professional scan PDF edit work. We carefully identify and match font styles, sizes, line spacing, and alignment. If exact fonts are not embedded, we manually recreate the closest possible match to maintain uniformity across the document. Precision at this stage ensures that edited sections blend seamlessly with the existing content. We also focus heavily on layout integrity during every scan PDF edit task. Margins, paragraph spacing, table alignment, bullet formatting, and header positioning are preserved accurately. The document should not look altered or artificially reconstructed. It should look professionally maintained and correctly updated. Security and confidentiality are strictly maintained throughout the scan PDF edit process. We understand that scanned PDFs often contain sensitive business data, official information, contracts, or personal documentation. All files are handled securely, never shared, never reused, and never exposed to third parties. Your privacy remains fully protected from upload to final delivery. Quality control is applied at multiple stages of the scan PDF edit workflow. After editing is completed, the document is reviewed carefully to check formatting accuracy, spelling consistency, alignment balance, and visual clarity. Even small inconsistencies are corrected to ensure a polished and professional output. Our scan PDF edit service is suitable for business documents, official forms, applications, reports, contracts, invoices, training materials, and archived records. Whether the project is small or complex, every document receives individual attention and structured editing. We believe in maintaining high standards rather than rushing through tasks. Every scan PDF edit project is approached with responsibility, precision, and attention to detail. The objective is not just to change text, but to preserve document credibility and professional appearance. If you need a dependable scan PDF edit service, structured workflow, strong formatting control, and secure handling, you can contact us anytime. We are ready to assist with professional document editing that meets high-quality standards and practical business.